Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can create perspective bending effect using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to elements in the left side and here we are just searching for river and boat. Okay, let's go to the photos. Here we will find some good photos. We need to search for some good photos, right? This won't be much better, or we can select this one. Yeah, see all, there are many more good photos available over here, right? Let's see the magic recommendations. Okay, like this one is also nice. We will set this as background and later we will create an image using this. Okay, it's nice. Now let's search for elements again. Triangle frame. Okay, now we are just going back to the elements and we require one more image that we can simply fit in. We need to increase its size. It's done. We need to reduce the size. We have selected too much. Let's reduce it. Okay, so our perspective bending image is ready. So in this manner you can simply create such kind of images using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.